Hey there, it's Joji, and today I'm taking you to one of the top dining destinations in Davao City, Jack's Ridge. This iconic restaurant, o yung sikat na restaurant na ito, is perched atop a scenic hill, offering breathtaking views of the city. I'm really excited to try their famous local cuisine, so let's head on over and see what they have to offer. Jack's Ridge is renowned for its authentic Mindanaoan and Filipino dishes. Some of the must-try items include the bagaybe, sinulang imbao Jack's golden pomelo salad. As I'm enjoying my meal, I can't help but take in the stunning view. Jack's Ridge offers panoramic vistas of Davao City. It's easy to see why this place is a local favorite at bakit siya sikat sa mga taga dito.